Umar Abubarkar tẹ́ ń wò lórí fọ́nrán yìí fi ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára tó gbóná ránṣẹ́ sí MC Oluomo àtàwọn èèyàn ẹ̀. Ó tú ọ̀rọ̀ palẹ̀ o lórí irú èèyàn tí MC Oluomo jẹ́. Ó ń béèrè pé kí ni kókó ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi jẹ chairman board of trustees, sí pé oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lábẹ́ ìjọba MC Oluomo tó sì jẹ́ pé kò lè dá ohunkóhun ṣe nǹkan báyẹn. Ẹ wò, ó tú ọ̀rọ̀ palẹ̀ gan-an. Arákùnrin yìí ò tiẹ̀ bẹ̀rù rárá. Ẹ wò, ó ní ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹni tó jẹ́ state chairman tàwọn Ọ̀yọ́, ló fi ń wéra wọn, ló ń fi state chairman Ọ̀yọ́ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bó ṣe gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó lágbára tó gba Fẹ́mi Fálànà láti lọ ṣe ẹjọ́ tó pàpà wá favour Nurtw. Nínú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ohun tó sọ palẹ̀ o. Àwọn orúkọ ńláńlá, àwọn orúkọ oríṣiríṣi tó pe MC Oluomo. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló dé tó ń pe èèyàn kan ní Èkó Àkété? Ó dà pé bóyá ìyẹn ti post tẹ́lẹ̀ ló wá ń back up post ẹ̀, ló ń buttress ẹ̀. Báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́? Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu arákùnrin yìí, Umar Abubarkar.
Up national progress national. Èkó Àkété, I don't see your post too. Shebe, I tell you guys, I've told you that MC Oluomo and his people, they are criminals. And that is why I always have problem with Neji Musmayasin. Sometimes the man pretend to be a Democrat. But under his watch, as chairman board of trustee, illegalities are being perpetrated under his watch. So, what is he chairman board of trustee for? What is the function of the chairman board of trustee? I want somebody to tell me. Someone who has been president of the union, who has been privileged to lead this great union for more than 9 good years. And now as chairman board of trustee, a lot of bad things are happening under his watch, and there's nothing he can do. And you want us to respect you as a member of the same union. I have told you people that these people are criminal. They are thieves. They are scavengers. Okay, look at the case of Oyo State now. The Oyo State government placed a ban against the activities of the National Union in Oyo. And you guys are there. Neji Musmayasin, you are there. MC Oluomo, you are there. As someone who are close to the presidency. Because that is what you have been claiming. So you cannot use your influence to prevail on Oyo State government to lift the ban against the National Union. Alhaji Ejiogbe, the legitimate state chairman of Nurtw in Oyo State, went to National Industrial Court and filed processes. And at first, the National Industrial Court dismissed his application. So the man now went ahead to hire a lawyer, a senior advocate of Nigeria for that matter, Mr. Femi Falana, who challenged the decision of the government and the decision of the National Industrial Court at the appeal court. And at the end of it all, the appeal court gave a judgment in favor of Nurtw, led by President Tajuddin Ibikule Baruwa and Alhaji Ejiogbe as the state chairman of Oyo State Council of our Great Union, in their favor. And now you guys from nowhere, a scavenger. You know, I don't know if you have watched a wildlife. If you go to the jungle where lion who is even the powerful animal in the animal kingdom, when he goes for a hunt, when the lion goes for a hunt and catch a zebra, so at the point of trying to enjoy the meal, you will now see all these wild dogs and hyenas as scavengers. They will now come and drag it from the lion and maybe chase the lion alone. You guys are just empty barrel. You don't know anybody. You claim to know presidency, you claim to know Bajaber Miller, and you cannot use the influence to prevail on your state government to lift the ban against the activity of the union. Now that someone has gone to court and got the judgment, you are now going around. That is the height of rascality, criminality. I'm telling you, they are idiots, they are fools. I told you now, these people are full, but their cup will be full very soon. Inshallah, the law of the land will cut up with them very soon. Foolish idiot people.
tó òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí Umar yìí tó là kalẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ MC Oluomo ṣé bó ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn àbí ó ní nǹkan kan tí a mọ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé arákùnrin yìí tó fi ń sọ gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ yìí ohun tí ẹ ń sọ lápá ibìkan tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ fọ́nrán ẹ̀ ó ní wípé ṣèbó yẹ kó mọ̀yàn lókè pé báwo ló ṣe wá jẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣé bọ́rọ̀ ṣe rí ni Umar yìí ṣe sọ yìí ẹ dá sí ẹ drop comment and remember to like share and follow us. Thanks for watching. Fún ìpolówó ọjà WhatsApp number PG.